Hey everybody, welcome back. Check it out. We've got the JJRC Bellwether. It says here 20-minute endurance with an asterisk. Here in fine print it says under optimal flight conditions. So I guess we will have to time it. Here you can see they got it in black as well. A little bit of the specs. It's Wi-Fi, altitude hold, 720 cameras, pretty cool. 1800 milliamp battery. That's a very good size battery. So, oh, they were checked off here. You can see you've got the white one. So let's take it out here and show you what's going on in the box.
Wow.
Yeah. So on the bottom side of here is a bunch of things that fell out. Here's your phone holder, probably for FPV.
Yep.
There's the little sticks that will stick into the transmitter. Just like so. Push it in, push it in. You can see the transmitter has altitude hold, it stays. You've got obviously your manuals and other jazz. You have the prop guards. If you're a beginner, you can put those on. You see we've got a full set of spare propellers here. There's some landing gear, USB charger, some spare screws, and a screwdriver. And in here we have the main attraction. Oh, they got her taped in pretty well.
Yep. Yep, you got it, you got it, you got it.
Other side, please, bud. Okay, here is the quadcopter. See in my hand the size of it.
And here's the little helicopter for me.
These are geared. You can see the...
Geared.
See if I can get it here. You can see the motors back in here. There's the bottom. Battery just slides out of there. Nice big battery. 1S.
And nice big thing.
Got lights, on-off switch. Camera will plug into there. Let's get the camera out here, which they've got stuck in there pretty well. Here's the camera gear. That's everything in the box there. Here's your Wi-Fi antenna. It's made to look like it has a gimbal on it. There's nothing on there. Made to look like it has a big lens as well. So we have this. So this will snap into the bottom, just like so. And then this will snap into the quad.
Snap.
Just like so. Here we go.
Snap.
Nice rubber mount. And then we'll poke our wires in here on the side.
Yep.
There we go.
There we go.
Now I'll get the landing gear out and I'll screw those on real quick.
Yep.
Okay, upon taking stuff out of the box here, I noticed there's even an extra set of landing gear, which is great. So you got extra propellers and landing gear and a bunch of extra screws in there. So I'm quite impressed. They thought of everything here. So the landing gear, obviously, you'll just push in here and here, and then you'll tighten the screws to lock down. Okay, I got the landing gear screwed on, so everything is done on there and secure. You can see the angle, the camera shoots down a little bit, which is good, because when you're hovering up there, you'll actually be able to see down in forward flight, though it'll be pointing down quite a bit, but that's okay. It'll work out great. So here's the transmitter. It'll take 4 AA's. We'll get it out in the field, do some tricks, and I'll show you what all the buttons do, and get you some flight footage. So now it's time to charge it up. Oh, one other thing here for the FPV. This little clippy will go over the antenna and then you can clamp your phone in there. So you'll have to download the app for that as well. But anyway, so we'll get the battery charged up and we'll get her out in the field and show you some flight footage. Please subscribe. Okay guys, here's the transmitter. So we'll do a little run through of what does what here. So here you have your rates. Here you have your 1-key takeoff and landing. Here is your reset, calibrate button. This is your flips and roll button, or if you hold it a long time, it also becomes headless. And then you can see you got your power here. These are all just trims, but there's a rundown of the transmitter. Now we'll get the quad set up here and fly. Okay, here we go. So on the bottom here is a switch. We'll turn it on. There you can see the lights are on. Nice lights. We'll set it down. And we'll turn on the transmitter. Up, down. That'll bind it up. Okay, back up, buddy. Then we'll do the 1 key takeoff. There it goes. I'm going to bring it back here and land. So I'll push the 1 key land. There it landed, so that's pretty cool. So let me check into the Calibrate since it always wanted to take off here. Okay, so it says to put it on something level, and then I held the button down, the lights flashed, so we'll give it another try. It's better. I'll try the trim. We'll trim it out a little bit, see what we can get to happen here. There is a little bit of wind, but you can see we got it trimmed out, working pretty well. Pretty cool. Okay, so easy to do a flip. Push that button, pick a direction. Works very well. Okay, try a little different spot here with a little more sun. So again, to take off. Works very well. There's a little breeze out here. Make sure I'm in triple rate here. So here's the high speed. Flies really well. We got good range. It's a little windy today, but it's working great.
Come back here. Turn down.
Yeah, buddy.
Now we can take some pictures.
Yeah, we can take some pictures.
Nice. That way. This way. That way. That. And turn. And force.
Flies great, guys. Flies really great. It's just awesome.
Boing. We're going. He can get you. Only get you. It was great.
Now I'm holding full forward as hard as she'll go, so remember we're fighting some wind here. Okay, so here's a pirouette on high. Here's a pirouette on low. There's full forward, low speed, medium speed, high speed. You can see it tip forward a little more each time. A really good flying machine. So we'll put it on first again here. So here we go. Slow speed, medium speed, high speed. Awesome. Really works good.
This is a fun little machine here. This is great. We'll do a low flip here. Hey, alright. Did it. Fantastic.
Do it again.
Almost loses no altitude.
Do it again. 2 times. 2
Pretty
times.
good. I'm gonna have to do a timer on the next one. I'll do a timer on the next flight. I really cannot get over it. It just flies and flies and flies. This thing is getting a big thumbs up for me, boys. There we go, we got a good one. Alright guys, this is a big thumbs up for me. This thing flies forever. The next flight here, we'll get the app going and the camera on and recharge the battery, and I'm really curious how long this flies. It might make it. So anyways, like, comment, subscribe.